Okay, and welcome to the vlog. I'm going to go over my current trade and my last trade, and we'll show you what I'm doing. This is entry number 5, and my last trade, I made $210 from the 9th to the 24th of April. Now we're starting in May. I'm already in a trade. I started the 26th this last Friday, which was pretty recent. Here lately, the S&P 500 only has really gone up. There's only a few down ticks. So I grabbed the 3-month chart here just to kind of give some perspective. One point I want to draw attention to, if you're new to stocks and charts and everything, support and resistance are really important in my trading, and a lot of people consider it that way. I would say a current support, which is a former resistance, is around the 285 mark, roughly. If you can see that it jumped above it and has basically stayed above it since then. Any support and resistance line can be broken, and it's basically just an invisible line. Support is what they don't want to trade below, and resistance is stuff they have not yet broken above. Former support levels can be newer resistance levels. Don't take it, like I've said before, in any chart tool, any of these exponential moving averages. I have 3 of them on here, the 10-day, 50-day, and 20-day, and I try to set my trades with a risk of under the 50-day moving average. Like if it goes close to below the 50-day moving average, you probably need to get out. I also like the MACD and the RSI picture below. No one thing should be an absolute. They're all guides, and basically it's the most important thing is your rule set. So my current target on this one is $330. However, I'm starting to review the idea of potentially getting out at 25% of my goal. So it's more going to be based on movement and see if I can catch more of the upward movements and see if I can start mitigating the down ticks, because it just makes the trade longer. I mean, this April's been really good, really strong, but it is getting close to the wrapping up the good 6 months of the Dow and into the bad 6 months, or less predictable, more accurate. So we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to follow our rules so we don't have any big crashes. Check out my course on Udemy, and you can get my method and learn how to trade the way I do. And if you want to trade specifically or see the exact price points I get in and out at, I have that on Patreon. There are 8 spots left for the lowest tier of $1, so get those while they last. And as always, don't look for a fair fight.